Hello everybody.
Today we're going to make ice cream bonbons.
And it's going to be such a treat, Ceyla. Now, what do we have here today?
Oreos, a pint bowl with melted chocolate, sprinkles, any sprinkles that you can find in your cupboard, and hot water.
And we have a tray here with some greaseproof paper, making sure that it's the right size to fit into your freezer. We have an ice cream scoop, and we also have, everybody here, a preparation area. Now, what we're going to do first of all is make sure that our tray that can fit into a freezer remains cold. So I'm going to place that into the freezer. Okay, Ceyla, let's start this off. Let's get ourselves organised first of all. You get the Oreos. Let's get this preparation area sorted. And I'll leave that there. And guys, we just forgot one last thing. You also need ice cream.
And you have to wash your hands before you have to do...
All the time, look at them. Clean.
Before you have to do your cooking and baking and any DIY stuff like food.
Related, I agree. So we've washed our hands, and guys, what I'm actually doing at the moment, I'm placing them neatly onto the tray in rows, just to make it nice and organised. Now guys, at home, we've laid out 8 Oreos. You can see them here, all very neat. I've placed that to the side, and what we are going to now, everybody, is open our ice cream. And today's choice of ice cream, everyone, is
chocolate chip.
indeed Carte d'Or mint chocolate chip. So let's open that out. And
Wow, that's blushing.
here, I know it's the ice from the fridge itself. Okay.
It's so delicious.
It is. Now, what we're going to do first of all, Ceyla, we're going to dip that into the warm water, and we'll take that out. Now, guys at home, this will help easily scoop out the ice cream. That's fine. And I'll do one, you do one. How's that?
Yeah, that's fair.
Just to show everybody at home
Fair.
how we can get this sorted. And guys at home, I have washed my hands.
Now it's my turn, everybody. I'm not really. It's delicious. I tried it before, Dad.
Excellent. I do like mint chocolate ice cream. Look in the description below, because we've added some extra ingredients into this chocolate. So just read the list of ingredients below and follow those instructions. So here we go, everyone. Thank you very much. Let's bring this in closer to us. Okay? And let's pour along. Just go ahead, Jane.
We put something in here.
Yeah, we did. You can tell everybody at home, it's not a problem.
I thought it's coconut oil.
Yeah.
I just want to lick the bowl after because licking the bowl is so much fun for kids to do.
Now we have our selection of sprinkles.
But I'm going to open this one because we haven't opened it.
Now what we're going to do, 2 of these are going to be left without any sprinkles because our camera lady doesn't like sprinkles. So there we go.
The camera lady is my mum.
Okay, lovely. There. So I'm going to just do some little sprinkles here. So we're going to leave these 2 over here for Mummy. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place these very quickly onto the tray. Can you see how gently I'm doing this, Ceyla? And then what we're going to do, you can just pick them up very gently and place them there. Let's just move this around. Let's fine. Now, what we've done, we've got them onto our tray and we're going to be placing them into the freezer. So, what could happen is that the chocolate will become slightly more harder and the ice cream, it has melted just a tad for it to refreeze. So, but you know guys, we can do this at any point in the day and just have them stored in a container. Ceyla, why would someone make something like this? What occasions do you think?
Maybe a party, maybe a sleepover, maybe a girls' night.
A girls' night.
Any night for you to have fun.
Indeed, and guys, as this is a chocolate treat, we're not asking everybody at home to be gnawing away at it, but you can, but treat it as a treat. So there we go. We'll be placing them into the freezer now. Okay, everyone?
But maybe you could get them for Halloween. Or maybe Christmas for Santa Claus.
I like that idea, and you know what, Ceyla? So instead of having like mint ice cream, we could have a strawberry ice cream, so it looks like a Father Christmas theme. We could go along with using orange food colouring in the ice cream, maybe in the vanilla ice cream. So we've got a Halloween idea or kind of theme. I like that kind of thing that you're saying there, Ceyla. So it's all about the sprinkles, all about using those colours for those celebrations. Now, guys, that's what you can do at home and experiment with your own flavours. So, you know, there we go. They don't have to use Oreos. They can use their favourite biscuit that they like. It doesn't have to be a sweet biscuit. It could be a digestive.
Or maybe Jammy Dodgers.
That'd be interesting, a Jammy Dodger. Interesting, very much. Okay, everybody. Now, if everyone out there liked it, what should people do?
Like it if you want to see more, subscribe. This is 1 hour later. Now we're going to have a taste test.
Which one are you going to be picking?
The one that's covered with lots of chocolate.
I'm going to take this one here with the lots of hundreds and thousands. I'm looking forward to this already. Cheers, Jay.
Cheers, begin.
Cheers. Everyone at home. The mint ice cream is lovely. What does that taste like, Jane?
Mint chocolate ice cream.
Put your mouth.
Very crunchy. It tastes a little bit coconut.
Yeah, that's because we put the coconut oil
Secret ingredient.
into the chocolate itself. But guys, this is wonderful. The ice cream is nice. The chocolate has got that great consistency, and the biscuit at the bottom makes it really, really tasty. Now guys at home, you're gonna love this too if you make it. Pick your own ice cream, strawberry, vanilla, salted caramel, one of my favourites. We've used mint chocolate chip. What's your favourite ice cream, Jay?
The one that we are eating.
Okay, everybody, don't forget to read the description and the ingredients below, and you will love this as much as Ceyla and I are loving it. Now, Ceyla, what do we say?
Bye, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe.